Good morning, my dudes. It is Thursday, and it is also Friday for April 16th and 17th. This is a 2-day assignment, so everything you need will be for these next 2 days will be in the folder for Thursday and Friday. If you have any questions, you can always let me know. We're going to go ahead and take a look at our learning targets. All right, so we're going to be drawing an inference from non-print and print text and cite evidence to support it, which means you're going to be looking at a video, and you're also going to be looking at a piece of text, and you're going to be making an inference or a logical guess. Okay, your success criteria, like I said, you're going to be making an inference based on a video and the launch text, which is about the human brain, and you're going to use evidence from both of the texts. I know it's weird to call a video a text, but it is a type of text. Just to make sure that you can get on to Pearson, there's a link here. There is a link on Schoology, like there has always been. Okay, if you get some weird little security thing that says, whoa, we can't do this, it's locked, just hit continue. If you get the little frowny face here, just go ahead and click the link again, and you'll sign in with your usual password, your usual how you get on Schoology. If you get something down here that says, oh, this is not allowed and its certificate has expired, you're going to click advanced at the bottom and just click proceed if you're in Chrome. If you're in something else which is not recommended, Chrome is the best the best browser to use for all of the resources that we have. You may need to click details. Once you have done this, usually your computer will go ahead and let you on. If you are having problems getting on Pearson, please let me know. Also included in this file is a video on how to navigate Pearson, just to make sure that you know what you're doing. I'm going to show you a couple of things with this too. So the activities. I have broken these up for Thursday and Friday. You can do them at your own pace. If you want to do them all at once, that's fine. If you want to break them up, that's fine. But I recommend that on Thursday you watch the video in Pearson that's in classes, and I'll show you that in a moment. And you will go back to Schoology and complete the what does it mean to be intelligent discussion post. Please make sure you answer all of the questions. On Friday, I would recommend reading the launch text called The Human Brain in Pearson, and I want you to annotate it, which if you watch the video I have about it, you will know how to annotate. And then you are going to complete the How Are We Smart Flipgrid response. If you are struggling to use Flipgrid, please let me know. If you absolutely just can't get it to work, we can give you another way to respond. Okay, real quick, I want to go into Pearson. Usually when you launch, you're going to see something that looks like this. Okay, you're going to go to Classes, and let's pretend you're in my 1-2. You go over here to Assignments. I think if you just click on it, it opens right up. Now let's remember, you'll see this. Let's remember that the house on Mango Street was part of the scavenger hunt. You do not have to take this. This was simply a clue, but I'm leaving it up there for people who might be behind. We go here. Now it's going to look a little different on yours. When you click it, you're just going to go right into what it looks like, but I have to click preview because I'm not a student. And you will see here that there is a launch activity, and when it pops up, you will see a video. This is the video I want you to watch. I'm going to click up here to exit, and you'll go here to the launch text. You can also listen to it. It's quite short. And you can annotate it simply by anything that strikes you as important or new or different. You can highlight it. And so I'm going to highlight pink, and I can type an annotation. For anything you highlight, you need an annotation. You need to say why you think that is interesting or why you have a question about it. Okay, I'm going to go back here. So that leads you through Thursday and Friday. Please make sure that you are using all of the resources in the folder. Okay, guys, have a great day, and let me know if you have any problems. Bye.